Hello everyone, welcome to the Essay Code Trainer. Today we're gonna solve a graph problem that is called of triangle. Well, basically here we have to determine if there is a situation in which a plane A likes plane B, a plane B likes plane C, and plane C likes plane A. And they are gonna give us an array indicating us which plane likes which other plane. For example, here it says that the plane 1 likes the plane 2, the plane 2 likes the plane 4, the plane 3 likes the plane 5, and so on. We have to print if there is a triangle of likes, and otherwise we have to print no. So let's see how we can solve this problem. And here what we're gonna do is we're gonna work one indexed to make the things easier, and they are telling us that we're gonna have an index A that likes index B, and the B likes index C, and C likes index A. If this satisfies, we're gonna print yes, and otherwise we're gonna print no. So in order to check it, we're gonna do like plane 1 here likes the plane 2, the plane 2 likes the plane 4, and the plane 4 likes the plane 1. So this satisfies and we have to print yes. But now let's try with other index, the second. So the second likes index 4, and the 4 likes index 1, and the 1 likes index 2. So this also satisfies, and we have to print yes if any of them satisfy. So let's take the third. So the third likes the 5, and the 5 likes the 3. So these just have two different, and we have to print no. So we have to evaluate two conditions. The first one is that we will always have three distinct indexes. So it's going to be different to the second, and it's going to be different to the third index set. And we have to satisfy that the last index set points to the first index set. So the first index set must point same to the one that likes the 3, so we are gonna call it 4. So basically what we're gonna do is that we will iterate over all the indexes, and this is gonna be our value I. Our value second is going to be the preference for this I. Our value 3 is going to be the preference for this second, and our 4 is going to be the value of our third. So let's coding. So we are using C++. This is to import all the libraries. And let's read the number of elements. We are working with one index set, and we're gonna jump to the solution. And in order to determine if these three are different, we're gonna use a map. With the map, we can basically insert numbers, and when we have duplicated numbers, it's going to replace it. So at the end, we're just gonna have unique values. So we're gonna count only the size of this map. So if the size of this map is equal to 3, and if our I is equal to the 4th value, then we're just gonna print yes, and we're gonna return. And otherwise we're just gonna print no, and we are ending the program. So let's see if this is okay. And let's confirm with the second test case. Now let's submit the code to verify if our solution is right. So please feel free to comment if you have any doubt. Thank you for watching.